Seafood City?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Look.
Seafood City.
Hey, babe, RJ.
RJ, look.
RJ, look. Oh my God.
Okay. RJ, what's this? What's
What's this?
called?
What they call? Seafood City.
Oh, in the wagon. Oh, RJ, look at the fish. Want fish? Look at... Oh. See the fish?
Cheers. Pancit Canton. You wanna go inside? Huh? Wanna go inside? What is it?
Hi,
Welcome to
RJ Crazy Play.
RJ Crazy Play. Here we are in Irvine, California at Seafood City. There's Dolly D. We got all kinds of noodles. We're getting pancit noodles and soy sauce. Yeah. Oh, you get that?
That's so easy.
Well,
RJ, be careful, RJ.
we got, it's only $1.89.
There it is.
Oh, is that the one? That's silver.
Silver's one.
Silver swan, soy sauce. Okay, get that one.
Daddy, you push me?
Yep, ready? Look at the camera when I push. So what do you got to say?
Gaga gaga.
That's not, that's baby talk.
This, Daddy.
Yep, I see it.
No.
I push. Oh,
Whoa. I'm not controlling.
you're out of control.
There. Hey, Tractor. Fast again, Daddy.
Which one you gonna get, RJ?
Is the puti
Okay, let's see Crazy RJ.
and
Oh, what happened? You hurt your eye? Okay, go.
okay, good now.
Fast.
Oh, you want ziplock, ano?
Yeah, get some Ziplocs.
No,
Yeah.
no, we're here. No,
Okay. Like fish. Go.
Super fast.
So I'll take a look at Seafood City. Try out it.
Here we are in Seafood City.
Jollibee.
Jollibee,
Red Ribbon.
Chowking, Red Ribbon.
Okay.
Hindi Filipino.
Have you noticed that?
Take picture here.
There you are.
Here.
RJ, look.
Picture. Take picture by camera.
Hold on, I'm filming right now.
Oh no, there.
Okay, there's RJ. It is Seafood City.
RJ,
Here we are. Chowking.
Ang Filipino po natin. This pineapple.
Yeah.
Like, no more na. No more coconut down. Check it out. Burger Grill. Have it. Inside. chicken sandwich, RJ. Look. RJ is the fries. Look, RJ. Hey, RJ, look. Double hamburger. Look at that, so big, RJ. Where's RJ? This. Try.
Open you.
Yeah, taste it, RJ. Yummy. Yum, yum. Good.
Like it?
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up, RJ.
Give it Korea and make it so warm.
Yummy, RJ.